Okay, everybody, so this is Steven, new Normatic, and our hero today going to take me tire shopping.
Tire mission.
Tire mission by the Tire Man. Recording this for me so I can show you guys how ridiculous it has been to be climbing over this spare tire. Okay, here we go. To get in, I have to grab this handle and this handle, come up, and then step on and put my other foot up, come over here and get off of it so I can reach the door, pull the door, and grab the handle and shut it.
Success.
That's how I get in. Now let me show you how I get out. Obviously, it's just the reverse process, but it's just so ridiculous. Okay, y'all ready? All right, so door is open. All right, so I'm back here, and I have to step on the tire again with both feet, grab this handle, hold this door, feel my way for the step, and then back out.
All thanks to the tree skirt.
All thanks to the Christmas tree skirt, rubber tree skirt. And I've been doing that for days now. So thank you, Steven. And we're off. And we're off how, Steven?
Oh, we're pulling in and out of here in four-wheel drive.
Four-wheel drive.
I ain't taking any chances.
Good one, Deb. I got ready to edit this video, and when I gathered all of my clips, I realized that I don't have the footage from my 4 friends that met me for lunch to lift my spirits and check on me at Pizza Studio in Blythe. I don't know what I did, but I don't have any footage of my friends, only the workers at the restaurant. Whatever, Deb. What is your name?
Samuel.
Thank you, Samuel.
No problem.
We just played Frogger crossing the street. We made it! Woo! Did I get everything?
I think so.
Steven, you are the man.
We took care of you.
You sure did. Thank you.